also. Go. Good morning. I am Royal Gray. I have been knowing these wonderful young ladies. Enyka is my tax lady. She's been my tax lady for over 15 years. I have never had an issue with any tax issue, being audited, paybacks, any issues. She's a friend. If you need something to do out the year that you need to get back to your tax paper, she has everything together for you. If you have to contact her on any business issue with your taxes, personal taxes, business taxes, commercial taxes, this is the best young lady to work with. Also, we have amazing Mrs. Mays as our tax lady. Our insurance person. You might want to edit that. But I have had insurance with her for over 10 years. I never had any issue with that. My family has been married without any issues or concerns, and the insurance people have been so compassionate to work with us, and so have her. If we have to call her to ask her for any updates or change anything, she's obliged to do it. These have been phenomenal ladies to work with. If you are in this team or you are affiliated with them, you are blessed. Continue to support these wonderful, amazing young ladies. And we look forward to them being remarkable pillars of our communities as they have been for years. I am very proud to call myself their friend, colleague, and also a supporter of their business. They will continue to have my business throughout my life. And you all, please support amazing, good working women of our community. Take care. Bye-bye.